A SparkDriver account can be deactivated automatically after certain account reviews, and the fastest way to challenge a mistake is through the official SparkDriver appeal process. By the end of this video, you'll know how to submit an appeal, what information to include, and what to do while you're waiting for a response. If your SparkDriver account was deactivated, start by reading the notification you received in the SparkDriver app or by email. The message may explain the reason for the deactivation or provide instructions for appealing the decision. Even if the reason seems incorrect, don't create a new SparkDriver account. Multiple accounts can create additional problems during the review process. Next, submit an appeal using the official method provided by SparkDriver. Fill out every requested field carefully, and use the same name, email address, and phone number associated with your driver account. If the appeal form allows you to provide additional details, explain clearly why you believe the deactivation was made in error. Include any supporting information that helps verify your account. If the issue involves identity verification, upload the requested identification if prompted. If the problem relates to a completed delivery, describe the order, the date, and what happened. If you received an incorrect policy violation, explain the situation using facts instead of opinions. After submitting your appeal, monitor both your email inbox and spam folder for updates. SparkDriver may request additional documents or clarification before making a final decision. Respond as quickly as possible if they ask for more information, because delays in replying can extend the review process. While you're waiting, avoid submitting multiple appeals for the same issue unless SparkDriver specifically asks you to. Repeated submissions can make it harder to track your original request and may slow down the review. If you don't receive a response after a reasonable period, reply to the existing support email or contact SparkDriver support through the official support channels instead of opening multiple new cases. Keeping all communication connected to the same appeal makes it easier for the support team to review your history. To recap, read the deactivation notice carefully. Submit one complete appeal with accurate information and supporting details. Then monitor your email and respond promptly to any follow-up requests. Those steps give you the best chance of having a wrongful deactivation reviewed correctly. If this video helped you understand the SparkDriver appeal process, like the video and subscribe for more Walmart and Spark troubleshooting guides.